Here's what I will do when I'm creating my Fiverr gig. First thing first, always remember you are not on Fiverr competing with others to get sales, as in to really make money from Fiverr gig. Okay, Fiverr is a marketing platform. We are leveraging on the popularity of that platform to grow the trust factor of our business. So when you're creating a Fiverr gig, you always have to remember you need to think about how would you market it. Would you do like content marketing? Are you going to run ads to do this? Are you going to share this to your friends and whatever? It's all about the marketing that matters. So when it comes to creating a gig, you don't create gig to compete with others because you will never be able to make money out of it, and you will feel really burnt out when you're competing with others. It's really cheap there. Can you seriously like imagine? Let's talk about a graphic designer. Okay, creating a Facebook post or Instagram post can be as low as $5. Can you feel happy doing this thing? No, you won't. Okay, so now here's what I would do. Let's take graphic design as an example. Now, three things you have to always remember when you're creating your Fiverr gig. First, okay, focus on problems that you can solve best. Meaning, what will be the problem that connects you with the client that you want, and something that you are really good at doing it, and it can be done really quickly. Okay, and it doesn't require you a lot of time and effort. So that's something that you can actually connect. So let's say, for example, let's take Facebook posts or Instagram posts, for example. So this is really something that you can actually create in a very easy way. But having said that, you always have to have a upselling cycle or upselling strategy, or, like the customer journey. Always remember the customer journey. When these people come in because they need help creating a Facebook post or Instagram post, what else can you upsell? So you have to always have all these things in place. Like, let's say you can actually sell your monthly package, saying that, oh, I will be able to create this for you. So you actually show them that I'm going to do this fast. I'm going to do this with very, very good customer service. I'm going to respond to you and then really quickly. And I'm going to, impress the client when these people comes in. So you got to think about how would you market it afterwards, right? But here's what I'll do. So aim for problem that you can solve best. Okay, that's the first thing. And aim for something that will get you the best client. So actually, sometimes the pricing can be a very interesting strategy. You don't want to price low because you will get you the wrong client. You price it at the point that you feel slightly more comfortable. Okay, at least you're not losing money doing it, or you're actually not bleeding your time doing it, and you feel at least, fairly rewarded. But with that kind of pricing, it gets you a better client. Like, for example, I can actually offer my one-on-one consultation for 30 minutes at maybe just $10. But when I price it at the point where I'm pricing it right now, I filter out those people that may not want to pay that much for a service like that, which means they may not appreciate whatever we have. All right, and always think about this. So the third thing here is really always focus on building the journey that allows you to grow with the client. So when you bring these people in, what will be the next steps, or what will be the next offer that you have for them? Always build a journey in place, because that's how you make money. You don't make money from creating IG posts for your client. You make money working with clients that pays you, retainer fees, and they retain you for a long time, that grows with you, and eventually that builds your freelancing business, because we need that kind of stability in our freelancing business. And to be frank, subscription, retainer will be actually the best way, but do it in a way that, that brings you the most joy in creating your freelancing business. That's what I always want to really tell freelancers to focus on.